Welcome to From Our Perspective. I'm joined by attorney Matthew Hamblin. He specializes in fighting insurance companies that unjustly deny or delay valid claims. Today we're going to talk about a case where Matthew helped a client navigate through a denied hail damage claim. Matthew, thank you so much for joining me today. Tell me more about our client and why they reached out to you.
Well, this gentleman was a Denver resident. His house had pretty significant hail damage from a June 2023 storm. He had called his insurance company to come out and take a look at his roof that was hit by hail. They determined that there was a little damage here or there, agreed to do some spot replacement. After that, he went and had a roofer come out and take a look at it, roofing contractor, who then found significantly more hail damage. He then called his insurance carrier to come out and reevaluate, and they refused to change their position to where it would require a roof replacement.
And what were those reasons cited by the insurance company then for the denial?
That they had done a sufficient initial investigation and that, that investigation was proper.
And what kind of approach did you take to advocate for our client in this situation?
In this situation, I asked, of course, for the policy documents, all the correspondence between him and the insurance carrier, evidence gathered by his roofing contractor. I then put that forward to the insurance company and asked them to do a repeat investigation of the property.
And how did the insurance company respond to your efforts then?
They went out. Me, the field adjuster, and the roofer went out together to take a look at the roof. Probably within the first 30 minutes, the field adjuster said, yes, this is a full roof replacement.
And if someone is in a similar situation, dealing with hail damage, and the insurance company has denied their claim, what advice do you have to them?
I would say to keep diligent records of all your communications with the insurance company, to get a copy of your policy, and to contact an attorney that does this kind of work.
Thank you, Matt, for sharing your perspective.
Not a problem.
If you are dealing with hail damage and your insurance company denied your claim, our team can help you fight back. Reach out to us for a case assessment on our website or give us a call.